Are you considering of having an egress window installed in your basement? If so, you've came to the right place. In this video, we're going to go through how Acculevel installs egress windows. Hi, I'm Nolan, the sales director here at Acculevel. You may be looking at getting an egress window installed into your basement, but you're wondering, what does that installation process look like? In this video, we're going to break down exactly how Acculevel installs these egress windows and what those steps look like. So when it comes to installing egress windows, the first thing we're going to do is dig the hole for the well on the outside. This is really important because before we cut the hole in the side of the basement wall to either expand the window that's there now or to create a whole new window itself, we want to be sure that the dirt's not pushing on that wall and makes a bigger mess in your basement. So step number one, go ahead and dig the outside for the well. Step number two is we're going to go ahead and begin to cut our rough opening for our window. We're going to use as much dust collector systems as we can. There will still be a little bit of dust. So after we've dug the hole, we've cut the hole in the block or the poured concrete for the window, the next thing we're going to do is actually set the well itself. We're going to go ahead and bolt this to the side of the house, seal that up around the house, and then the final step before we go ahead and backfill around the well is we're going to set your window in place. Seal that up, epoxy it, make sure that we don't have moisture intrusions, and then you're going to be good to go with your window well. Thank you for watching. I hope this video helped teach you how egress windows are installed. For more information, click the link below. Again, thank you for watching, and go ahead and be sure to like and subscribe.